Alright, I want another win. For some reason I'm addicted to playing today. It's one of those days. Okay. Hope you don't mind the barrage of video uploads. Oh no. Should I just take on C6? I think I used to play this with some sixes, just playing it very simply. I think Demeter Sapis once played this in the British Championship. Just try and weaken the dark squares. Play for H4, quite crude but positional at the same time. Potentially. Okay, I've got a sort of dark square thing going. Bishop shields the B file, so I castle queen side. Anything else to note? Bishop F6. There's Bishop H6. I could take that off. Play for G4, hack attack. So very simply played, really. But maybe effective. Takes and then Queen H5. Right. Queen needs to be evicted. That's D4. It's like A4. It's a C5. Well, that's Queen G3. Oh, we got Queen G3. Queen's off. Hopefully, there's still a bit of pressure on the king side. With H5. I don't like to lose F5 in a hurry. What about... I'm going to lose F5. Oh, control F5. Get control of C5. Why not just F3 then? Just in case EF, I want to be able to take the pawn. So now I can go for knight A4, not knight E2. Lose the piece. Mind you, takes and he's attacking the knight. That's starting to look unpleasant. Whoops. What about King D2 to try and evict this bishop? So knight C5, the bite's taken out of it because of this threat of winning knight on C5. But King D2, bishop A6, knight C5 be okay. King D2, this bishop H3 can force a draw. I can tie down to H4. This wasn't brilliant, was it? What else do I do here if I wanted to try and win this position? Strange might move, okay. Play knight H6 maybe. I can play knight here and knight takes E4 if needed. Okay, I'm losing H4. Or rook F4, there's E5. Or rook G5, we're losing the entire rook. I think I'd rather just lose pawn. Actually, there's A4 anyway, so I'd rather lose a pawn. Maybe rook G2 to keep hold of H2 and play A4, bishop C4. No, I'm losing the exchange. It's not good. And now this knight's attacked. Ah, exchange down. Miserable game. I don't think there's any hope here. It's gone. I think I'll resign. Oh, that's sad. Let's look at a key moment. Bishop G5, Bishop F6. Well, this wasn't needed. I could have just played G4 here. I'm allowing the rook to come to H8. Little detail here makes all the difference. If G4 How's he getting his rook to h8? He's relying on me playing bishop g7. I'm going to play rook h8 now. Safe as houses. Queen e5, beautiful move. Defending h5. Unless I want to play g5 now to try and show that this rook... Well, my h-pawn is a major liability here. So it's totally exploited. It's gone, positioning. H-pawn. Bishop's active. Knight can reroute as well. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.